Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today my review is on a MI beard trimmer which I bought it from Amazon, which you can check the link in the description. Now let's check with the features that which has written on this box. And it comes with 40 length settings, 90 minutes of cordless use and self-sharpening blades. I had research on this 40 length settings and 90 minutes cordless use of these features to be which I've tried searching in the other trimmers, but I didn't find the trimmer at this price range. To have a trimmer with these features where we need to be spending about 1500 to 2000, but MI has bought it for me around for 1200 rupees in Amazon, where you can check the link in the description to see the present price. Now let's check what's written behind this box. As it says that this box contains a beard trimmer of one, and user manual and power cord to charge, and trimming comb too, where we can adjust the clips, and the travel pouch and the cleaning brush. As you see, the MRP is like 1500 here, but we can get it by 1200 in Amazon. Now let's open this. You see, I have this trimmer. Let's check that after some time. Let's check with the other things which we got here. This is the pouch. This is the power cord to charge. This is the clipper comb, the cleaning brush. This is one, and the other one which we got it with this, where we can pull it out. There's nothing. And the user manual. Let's check with this trimmer. We have a button here to turn it on. We have this lights coming after turning this on. This is the power cord where we need to charge. And this is the trimmer settings to adjust the length of the clip. The sharp blades. You can even open this and clean it after the use. Now let's check in Amazon website, which I purchased this on November 13, and the present price is of 1200, and it has good amount of reviews. Let's check with this images. As you see, it comes with 40 length settings and stainless steel blades, and a powerful battery which comes up to 90 minutes, and it's a waterproof. It has a perfect grip, and We can use this with cord or without cord, and a lock system, self-sharpening stainless blades, and a 40 lens settings with 0.5 mm precision. As you see here, with 2 hours of charging, we can run up to 90 minutes, and it charges quickly. With just 5 minutes of charge, we can use this trimmer for 10 minutes, and it supports 5 watt adapter, and as seen before, we get this LED lights after turning this on. Now let's check with the trailer. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and try check this link, the Amazon link in the description. Thank you.